Hey, what's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button now. I'll wait. I'm waiting. So by the title, you guys know that we are going to be doing another DIY video. So like a year ago, I was trying to remove some sound deadening on my LS240, and the way I did it at that time, I went to Stater Bros and I bought some dry ice. I think I bought about 15 pounds. All I could say was it was fucking messy, and it did work, but the process was really slow. And today we're gonna be trying a different method, and hopefully it works. So I'm on the way to Office Depot, and hopefully I can get the supplies I need for this DIY project. So I'll see you guys there. Broskies, I think we have bad news. So I was gonna come to Home Depot, or what the fuck is this? Office Depot. Oh, it's over here. Whew. I thought they had closed for a minute, but now it's over here. Look, chingon. All right, broski. So we're gonna be using some cleaning duster, and we're gonna try it out, see if it works. All right, broskis. I'm back at the garage, and I have here my cleaning duster, and the instructions for this procedure is it says right here, never shake or tilt can before usage. Use in upright position only. Never use near a potential ignition source. So basically we're gonna be doing the opposite this shit fucking says. So we're gonna fucking shake it, and then we are going to spray it in our sound deadening. Once we spray it, we're gonna fucking hit it with the hammer, and then hopefully it comes off. Hopefully this shit works. I saw it in a different video and it looks pretty easy. Hopefully it works. Chingon. Ah, no mames. I almost finished up the bottle just in this piece. But I mean, if it works, then it's gonna be sick. Whew. And then I'm gonna try to scrape it off. Ah, no mames. I'm not even applying that much pressure. Oh, see that shit, broskis? It kind of works. Look, I'm not even applying a lot of pressure.
Two hours later.
Chingon, we got some dry ice because the spray didn't work. Yeah, fuck this shit. Don't fucking use this shit anymore. Cause then it's more work and
this is more fun.
It's expensive, yeah. This is more satisfying.
And it hurts a little more too.
Yeah, but it's more satisfying.
Oh crap! That's pretty cool.
Fucking easy, huh? Try it again.
That was just like a little hammer. Look, I'm barely even hitting it.
Nice. Yeah, fuck this shit. Fuck this shit. Don't buy this shit.
Nice.
So Christian didn't know that we can make a bomb out of this shit. I'll be back. Fill it up halfway with Monster, and then we're gonna throw some ice in it, cover it, shake it, and then we're gonna fucking see if it works.
Wait, okay, so how long do you actually have till it goes boom?
Couple seconds.
few seconds. Look at that shit.
Shit in pop way.
Look at that shit.
I don't think it's gonna pop way. Alright, broski, that shit didn't work. I'm gonna try it one more time.
Oh, that shit made a mess. Look at the window.
Holy shit, that shit worked. I don't know about the other one, the other one's still there. Whoa, look at the fucking bottle, way.
Huh?
Look at the bottle.
Where's the bottle?
Ahí, wey.
Oh,
That shit destroyed that shit.
Hey, wait, you know what I'm not looking forward to now, güey?
What?
The fucking mess.
Oh, shit. Holy shit.
Fuck, man.
La vera, that shit popped hard. Alright, broskies, I pulled it out. And I threw it over there and it blew off. So now we can go in. It's safe to say we can get back in and clean it up. Shit was fun. That shit was fun.
I don't know your definition of fun.
It was okay, way. It was alright.
It was alright. If we didn't have to clean it up.
I don't know.
Hey, wait, is this just gonna fucking blow nasty?
Yeah,
What the fuck?
What? What tank, huh?
Yeah, the fucking tank is like.
Damn. Do not try this at home. Check out how easy that is with dry ice. Nice and clean. All done.
Easier and faster way.
I just gotta clean up all this mess. But the fucking dry ice worked way better. For the third time, don't buy the cleaning duster. No sirve. No sirve. Just a waste of money.
That shit was not fucking born there. You don't know how much I'm actually enjoying this right now.
They're just making a fool out of you, bro.
Christian,
There's a heater core.
but it's still there. There you go.
That's still
It's still there.
That's still there, bro.
Oh, I need us. I was that way.
Food, when you can just take up a bolt.
It was just a bolt way.
What? No, I need to cut the aluminum lines going out.
Oh shit.
It was just
See the
the
compressor?
bolt.
Yeah, there you go. It's the compressor.
It's still there. The fuck you do?
Get out of there! Get the fuck out of there!
Fucking guys. No mames.
There, now you can keep cutting it. It's out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that doesn't taste good.
Oh no shit, you were supposed to get out of there as soon as you cut it. I told you that.
I thought it was just air.
No, I told you it had Freon. It might have Freon, I don't know. We got the car or whatever, and I don't know. I didn't bother asking if the AC worked. I don't really care.
Ooh, look at you got two extra doors to get all the smoke out.
Ooh, that shit smells, bro. See the new goodies we got?
Alright, well, actually, maybe I Don't know what that is yet.
Warning.
What does it say warning?
Casey?
Ah! Danger, not street legal. For showroom or off-road use only.
Oh.
Opening the package constitutes consent to the following terms.
Ooh, race car stay away.
What I gotta say about that? These are fog lights.
No, they're black though. Oh.
Are these really the fog lights?
Yeah, those are the fog lights. They look like them. They look cute though. They look fucking like garbage.
Hey,
Oh, it comes
they
with
come with the light bulbs.
Hey, but wait a minute. Wait a minute. Modelo time, food. Hey, Christian, what time is it?
It's Modelo time!
Modelo time, fool.
Modelo time!
See what we got?
Alright.
See or no? See or no? Are they all chrome or are they black chrome?
No, they're black.
Oh. Those are the headlights.
Yeah, they're black houses.
Sick. New headlights for the truck. Y ya la rayaste. And these are the fog lights for the truck. These are for the Chevy. Hey, wait. Wait. Is there another box?
No.
No.
These are the bottom
okay,
ones.
okay. I was about to say.
Oh, it's left, right, or right, left, whatever.
And then this
Then these gotta
should be the turn signals. Yeah.
Okay.
Tírale, no? Vamos con los pinches dedos, güey.
Not the best, but
You still need those.
no. Black housing too?
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Wow.
Hey, wait.
Wait.
It's gonna look clean.
Hold on.
My front end is gonna look clean. Make sure it's the fucking
The pair.
pair,
Yeah,
and
left
not
and
two
right.
of the same side. Like that one time.
Like that one time.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, you're fine.
Oh, sick. And then, wait a minute. Hey, do these come with the light bulbs, también?
No.
Oh,
Or the bottom.
only the fog lights, huh?
Yeah. But this, you use the same ones that you already have.
Yeah. No, but.
These, yeah.
Yeah. No, but yeah.
No, but yeah, these are just the headlights.
They're just the light bulbs.
Yeah.
They're open already.
Oh, are
Yeah, they are. Wait.
Oh, yeah. Wait, why you gotta open them, wait?
I might have opened them. Just to double check. It's not a bomb.
See how it comes with a little propeller in the back?
Oh, yeah. So they don't overheat.
They're cute.
Okay, let's put them on real quick. A ver qué pedo. I can't wait. It's only like what? Like 12 in the morning.
It's like 12-1. Oh, 11:30. We still got time.
11:35. We still good. We still Gucci.
Besides,
I was way. Andas pedo, ¿verdad, güey?
no, what the fuck put the shit here?
I'm fucking you, way.
No.
You who put all those over there?
I didn't put those either. I put the big one. I don't know who put, all the small
That
ones.
fool right there.
Is that you?
That was you, huh? Fucking JP.
Fuck no.
You put that trap for me, huh? I could have ate shit, hit myself here, grabbed onto the
He could have died, fool.
on the floor.
He could have died, fool.
I could have fucked myself up pretty good.
Ahora too scary, bro. Oh yeah. Check out those ugly ass fucking headlights, fool.
Yeah, you need them bad. Right?
And then the fog
Yeah, those are the
lights.
fog lights.
Yeah, that's it.
Is it open? Oh wait, no, you know what the fuck.
And when I clear coated him, way, I gotta take the whole front end.
No. Wow.
I was fucking drunk as fuck.
You actually need new light bulbs too.
Oh shit.
We were fucked up.
Oh fuck. I think we can use the other ones, no? It's because the blinker way it flashes too much, so I think they burned it.
This
they
one,
burned
you
down.
need that one too.
Fuck.
That one doesn't turn on right here.
Oh shit. Oh, I got some. Rose keys. We got the new lights on. What's up? I got my fog lights back. Chingón. Shit looks beast. Beast. Alright, broskies, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and fucking drop a fat ass like. Subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.